What's going on, guys? Romer the Romer here in Cali, not California, Cali Colombia. And in this video, I'm gonna tell you 5 reasons why Cali Colombia is a better place to visit than Medellin Colombia. Without further ado, let's get into it.
Look, grind hard, well done, sir, and welcome to the freaking well show. And party central to my well ones, a night of violated hell codes. Dope sells like the charge do, but selling's all about potential.
So number 1 is it's cheaper. Okay, Medellin is definitely going to attract more people. It's a bigger city, so it's not going to be as cheap. So if you're looking to save money, go on vacation, spend some time in Spanish, beautiful Spanish culture, then Cali is going to be easier on your wallet. So number 1, cheaper. Number 2, and this is huge, and this may not affect a lot of people, but I feel like this is actually my personal, this is the reason why I'm in Cali and not in Medellin, is they love salsa way more here. Salsa music is like, it's a Caleño. It's like Caleños, it is, Colombians in general like salsa, but they're like on a fucking another level here. So if you don't like salsa that much, or you want to listen to some different music, maybe you shouldn't come here. But for me, that was huge. There's a bigger dance scene here. There's literally dance opportunities every night. I'm a salsa dancer. If you guys ever are in Colombia and you want a salsa dance, slide in the DMs, Avery El Viajero on Instagram, that's my Spanish account, or Romer the Romer, or just drop a comment on the video. But salsa culture in general is much bigger here. If you go to Medellin, San Havana is good for salsa. It's a restaurant, so take notes there. Here it's Topa Talundra, and if the best dancing I've found is at El Rincon, and there's a lot of opportunity for live salsa too. So just look around on Instagram, follow all the different pages. Living Cali, I believe, is the name of the page, has a lot of different venues. Number 3 is that it's actually, in my opinion, safer. And the reason why is there's more, I'm gonna call it like touristy trickery in Medellin, where they try and take advantage of you. And the reason why this is there's just more tourists in general in Medellin. Medellin's amazing. There's a lot of cool stuff in Medellin, but it's going to be dangerous in the aspect of people being used to seeing tourists over and over again. Where here in Cali, I'm here in San Antonio right now. Yeah, they're not like shell-shocked when they see me, but they're definitely not as used to seeing me, which is, you know, it means that the sharks aren't really lurking around as much. And again, I've only been here for 5 weeks, so take everything I'm saying with a grain of salt. But I am here for 4 months, so the content's gonna get better and better. So if you guys enjoy this, make sure to hit that like button, drop a comment below. It really helps the YouTube algorithm and helps boost my channel. More travel content coming soon. Reason number 4 is it's less touristy. So if you know, if you go to Cancun, Mexico, you know what I'm talking about. Like, or somewhere in Costa Rica where like tourism's not like a bad thing. Like it's good for these countries to cater towards tourists. I like Costa Rica tourism because they make these badass whitewater rafting trips. You can go eat food, like it's very touristy. Like they make coffee tours, all these things. It's great. Here in Cali, you're not gonna get as much as that as you are in Medellin. You're still gonna get a lot of cool shit like that, but it's a lot of stuff that the locals actually do. Like the locals here like to enjoy the nature as well. So I personally like Cali more because it's gonna be less of that tourism vibe. So if you want, and I'm trying to learn Spanish, my goal is to learn Spanish in 4 months. So it's better for me to not be around the tourism. There's gonna be more English speakers. It's gonna be more expensive. So overall, in general, less tourism is better in my opinion, and you're gonna get that in Cali. Number 5, and this goes for all cities, it's large city versus small city, and what you get in a small city is more down-to-earth people. In my opinion, you get more objectively happy people from what I've seen. And overall, the people just have a different vibe. And I lived in Miami for the last 2 years, and very fake vibe in Miami. A lot of pretentious people, a lot of people trying to act like they made it. A lot of people that made it too, but even more people trying to act like they made it, whatever the fuck that means. And in Colombia in general, you're gonna get less of that. And especially in Cali, there's gonna be just humbler people, and you don't have to worry as much about people being flashy or you know, fake. And I feel like you get that in bigger cities. Now Medellin's, I mean, compared to like cities in America, nothing. So if you're gonna go to Medellin, more power to you. I'm going back to Medellin in October. Still great, but this video is about how awesome Cali is and why I like Cali. And I definitely notice overall like a different vibe here. So if you guys have been to Cali before and you notice that as well, let me know. Drop a comment or slide in the DMs. But I definitely notice a different vibe, like a calmer, more at peace vibe from the people here. That's it, guys. Thanks for tuning in. If you guys like content like this, you know, let me know, because I like making content like this. But traditionally, my YouTube channel is to help people make money and help them sell on Amazon. So this is different, doing more travel type content. So drop a comment below, let me know. I'd like to talk. Much love. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and peace out, guys.